the 3-minute breathing ritual that heals your gut, brain, and burnout. What if your healing didn't begin with food, supplements, or even sleep, but with your breath? Every single day, you take around 20,000 breaths. But how many of them do you actually feel? How many are shallow, rushed, unconscious, just enough to keep going, but not enough to actually live? Here is the truth that ancient traditions always knew. Your breath is your nervous system's remote control, and science is now proving what monks, yogis, and healers said centuries ago. The way you breathe changes, the way your gut digests, your brain thinks, your heart responds, and your body heals. Let's talk about the vagus nerve, a quiet superhighway connecting your brain, lungs, heart, and gut. When you take slow, deep breaths, especially with long exhales, you stimulate this nerve. You activate your parasympathetic system, also called the rest and digest state. It's in this state that healing becomes possible. Because most of us are stuck in survival mode. We rush from screen to screen, drink caffeine on an empty stomach, skip meals, and fall asleep scrolling. Our body starts screaming through symptoms: bloating, anxiety, low mood, inflammation, brain fog, and we respond with more control, more pressure, more doing. But what if the answer is less doing and more? In just 3 minutes a day, this simple breathing ritual can rewire your system. Breathe in for 4 seconds. Hold for 4. Exhale slowly for 6 to 8 seconds. Do it 3 times. That's it. It sounds simple, but it works because your breath sends signals. It tells your gut to resume digestion. It tells your brain that the danger has passed. It tells your heart to slow down, your muscles to soften, and your thoughts to clear. And with consistency, this small act becomes a doorway to something bigger, a new rhythm of living. You start making decisions from clarity, not survival. You eat slower, you sleep deeper. You begin to hear your body again, not the noise, but the whisper underneath. The whisper that says, you were never broken. You were just disconnected. Because healing isn't always about adding more. Sometimes it's about returning to what was always within you. So, ask yourself this: what if your body has been whispering all along?